I mean, we just kept talking, and after a while, I mean, just she got weird, man. Just she ended up ghosting me on the 30th of December. I don't know where.
Do you know why?
Why? I got.
Do you want me to help you out with it? You want me to help
Yeah.
you out? You like that girl, huh?
Yeah.
If you wanted to get that girl back, here's the only way. So let's say you
Yeah.
met the person online or Instagram, okay?
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
I don't want you to rely on that, Caesar.
All right. Yeah. No, we're good. We're good.
You got to approach women, okay?
The girl that actually, the one I told you about that met my mom and shit. When I met my mom and came to my house for the first time.
Why did you meet your
I,
mom?
I
Make
don't know,
this
man.
a Latino thing. Don't make this a Latino thing.
We hung out. She was from my city on Snapchat. Our mutual friends had done a snap with her, and I stood up and I added her, and I saw her, and I just instantly stood up and was like, "Hey, you're really cute. We should probably hang out sometime."
So
And
she
we ended up hanging
life.
out the next day.
She saw your life on Snap.
She saw my life.
So do you
So I was
understand this is portraying your life?
kinda, yeah.
Not kind of fully, because your
Okay.
snaps, girls get attracted to your snaps because it shows what you're doing with your life.
The next day, we ended up hanging out at her job. She works at a Whataburger here, and then we just hung out during her break, and we just talked it out. We just kept talking, calling on the phone. We kept FaceTiming for a while. We FaceTimed like hours a day, man. Kind of hit it off, and then she came to my crib. Well, she came like 2 or 3 days in a row. Yeah, we were just hanging out a lot.
And then,
She met my mom, and it was just we were good for a while. And she kept making an excuse that she didn't want to date.
and then what happened?
I mean, we just kept talking, and after a while, I mean, just she got weird, man. I mean, well, she got weird because I don't know, man. She ended up ghosting me on the 30th of December. We just didn't talk ever again. I don't know where.
Okay. Do you know why?
Why? I got.
Do you want me to help you out with it? You want me to help you out with it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You like that girl, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me give you this first. I tell you only things that I know from my life experience. You're gonna meet so many more better girls because the better you get, the better girls come in your life. Just letting you know, you're gonna be in 2 years. You're gonna look back at the girl and be like, "Damn, I have so many way more cool girls right now. I would not even get with the girl anymore. Literally, you would not even get with in 2 years. You will not even want to get with that girl." Concerning your girl, right?
Yeah.
There's a thing called being too much available.
Yeah.
Or attraction because girls are I don't want to say manufactured, are programmed to be with guys who follow their dreams. If the sole purpose of the girl to be of the guy to be with the girl will lose attraction. Girls say that she wants to be the number one for the guy. It's not true. It lowers her attraction. She just says it. It's not true. It's almost a test, but it's subconsciously. Girls want a guy who follow their dream, who put their dream first, and then the girl. Everything else is a lie. This is the truth. There's a thing you too available. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
You were hanging out with her so many days in a row. She knew she already had you. She knew you were already attractive. You already gave her all the validation. You didn't know, so you don't beat yourself up. It's good that you learned this shit this early. Do you know how many 30, 40, 50-year-olds that talk to me wish that they found out this early so they could have not have so many fights or marry the right woman or all kinds of stuff, that they know how to be in their power. So being their power also means put your dream over any girl, any girl. When you texted her and she ghosted you, right?
Yeah.
Did you text her again?
Nah, it's because what really happened was we were talking. We were talking like all day, every single.
No, I expect you to do it, bro. It's emotions. It's God. How do I explain this? Other dating coaches, there's so many non-truths out there. Emotion is the strongest power in the world. So if you are in love with a girl, if you have feelings for a girl, that will make you a lot of things that are almost not to stop if you're not trained to be in your own power. So I completely understand. You don't have to say, "Oh, it was because of
That's
that."
cool. So we're texting like every single day for like 4 or 5 months, all day long, FaceTime. You know what it is. It was getting weird already. Like I felt that I was putting in way too much, and she wasn't putting in enough.
Well, next time, if she doesn't text you for a day, yeah, You don't text her for 2 days until she texts you.
We just stopped talking from there because she never texted me back. I mean, she doesn't want to talk anymore, I guess, you know? Like a month ago, I slid up on one of her things and she didn't even open it.
So here's the thing. What happens in the end is a result of what happened in the journey. You understand?
Yeah.
An unhappy journey can never lead to a happy destination. Only a happy journey can lead to a happy destination. That's in life like that, that's in dating like that, and that's in texting like that, and that's in your whole relationship with that girl like that. The moment you gave your power away, she knew that. Basically, she gave you a gift, which sounds crazy right now, but she gave you the gift to understand this is not who you want to be. You want to be a person in your power. And here's the thing, she might come back. A lot of girls come back once they realize, oh, this guy is in his power. The important thing is that you not get hung up on one girl. The important thing is that you establish a abundance mindset. This abundance mindset will serve you because it will give you peace. It will give you an abundance of options of girls. And then every interaction that you have with a girl will be relaxed because you already have girls, which makes you relax to talk to that girl the way you are, okay? And she will sense your abundance mindset, so she will be more attracted to you because of that. Now, I know there's guys who just love to go in relationships, but in those cases, I also want you to know a girl will pull back at some point in your relationship with a girl. She will pull back to test you, to test if you are a man of power, if you're in your power. They do that. They train to do that. They have a fucking internal compass to fucking pull back on some point. When that person pulls back, you be a fucking man with cojones, and you will pull back more than her. She will be like, why did you, why? And she will text you. She will text you, and then you text her a little bit. And then if she tries again, you pull back. You basically tell her, bitch, I know what you're doing, and I'm a man of my power, and if you walk, I'll walk faster. So this is the way how you get her attraction. Also, don't hang out with her every day. Don't give her that validation every day. I know it feels good. I know it feels good, but you know what feels better? You know what feels better? Following your dream, being a man in your power, still having that girl. See it like a vacation. In the beginning, you hang out with her once a week. You hang out with her once a week. You don't need another person. I know it feels comfortable and it's nice and it's a person. She tests you. Don't, if she asks you to hang out, tell her no. Today I gotta do my YouTube. She asks you to tell her today I'm gonna do my YouTube channel, she's gonna get so wet for that. She's gonna be so attracted to that. She is. She's gonna be like, oh my God, my man, he's like following his dream. You know, and it doesn't even matter how many followers you have, because so many followers in the beginning, you know? People are like, bro, you have 80,000 followers. I'm like, yeah, I made 528 videos. and it was fun for me. I did because it was fun. I couldn't even stop because it was fun for me. So I followed my passion. Now, I had to learn that all myself, bro. I'm giving you gold right here. I'm giving you gifts. Yeah. First relationship, you're blessed, but I don't want you to get hung up on her. But maybe her too. She will come back once she sees you follow your dream. So go get your camera, start your YouTube, go to that oil thing. Do you really want to do that oil thing?
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's real good money. Yeah, man, it's like 100K a year.
Then do that. Yeah. Do it for a certain time. Come to California and follow your dream.
That's the whole plan, man. I mean, it's not like I want to go bust my ass, but
here's just a thing for you. I know that's a lucrative job, but know that following your excitement will always support you. Following your excitement will always give you money. Do you know how much money, like I do these calls for free now, right? And always, people who can't afford it, I will always my heart is like, I will always be like, okay, I'll give you a call. That's fine. Anything you follow your passion will support you. You trust yourself. Okay, do that and then come to California, follow your dream. Just don't get stuck there for a second year or third year or fourth year. For sure, yeah. Do that and then you will have more power and at the same time you attract women. But do you understand what happened in your relationship?
Yeah, I put in too much, man. Yeah, she figured out that you had me.
Beat yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Be happy that you got an answer now. Don't beat just know what you have. So don't beat yourself. This is amazing that you know this now. Okay, you did too much. You overdid it. You got caught up in feelings, which is okay. Have fun with a girl. Enjoy your time with a girl. Enjoy it. Just know that everything that comes out of a person's mouth is true. Watch actions. Don't watch words. And definitely don't watch girls' words. Definitely not. Definitely not. Girls are emotional. They will change their opinion on their emotions. 1 week, they will tell you you're the most amazing person in the world. The next week, they will tell you, fuck you, this, that, blah, 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 blah. And
that's just
the only
like,
thing that changed was the emotion. Do you understand? She would change her.
what are you
She
doing in that
would,
situation, man?
girls, what do you, I'll,
Like,
no
when that
one,
happened,
a girl was not telling me fuck you. There's no way. I don't know a girl who, if that happens, I cut it off in the beginning. If I go on a date with a girl, she's disrespectful on the date, I'm
I
like,
don't know. Like what you said, man. What you said. She says, you guys start talking. She says, hey, I really like you and stuff like that. And next week, she's like, fuck you.
yeah, I'll give you what I would do in that example. So in that example, if she means it, I just walk. I walk and I don't turn around. If she apologizes, we can talk about it. If she doesn't apologize, good day, good life, bye bye. Um, now let's say there's something else. Let's say I mean it's all basically the same subject. Let's say one day she tells you she is really excited about you becoming her boyfriend. Right? Let's say on Monday. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is gonna be good. Let's say on Monday. Let's say on Monday. Let's say on Saturday.
I was what you're gonna say, and it kind of happened to me. That's kind of what happened with me and this chick.
Okay, watch. Okay, let's say on Saturday you are going on a date with her, and you guys have the amazing connection, the most amazing time. You guys go home, you lie in bed, and she tells you, you know, I really can see you as being my boyfriend, right? Because she was acting out of her emotions. All right, next week, Friday, she has her period. Her girlfriend left her in front of a bus station. The bus never came. Her mom took away her phone for 2 days.
You just
And
described exactly what happened.
okay, and her sister, and she has a rash on her. You know what?
Yeah.
So you guys are in the same room, and she lets out all her anger on your ass. She's like, yo, you're not doing anything with your life. You're just living in your mama's home. What are you talking about? You're 17 years old. Where else are you supposed to live? I'm like, bitch, where else am I supposed to be? I have a good family. They take care of me. So that happens, right? Just know, first off, know anything she says right now, she doesn't even mean. This is not her real state. This is not her real state. This is the state of someone who's out of state. She's out of state. Okay?
Right.
So don't take it too personal. Now, the first thing, don't take the other one too, like, legit, because people change states, right? The most important thing, what I want you to know, is keep your own state. Be happy. Don't put your happiness in someone else's hands. You put your happiness in someone else's hands. I'm telling you. Right? So here's the paradox. The problem is you want a good reaction. You want it to work. That's your problem. The thing is, you are the most powerful if you don't care about their reaction. Once you don't care about their reaction, they will drop the panties. Because a strong man is non-reactive. They're only reacting to their own power. The world reacts to you. You don't react to the world. I'm a king.